I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day, in every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name, so it's a good day. Baby in my arms, walking through the neighborhood, living in the present, not what I shoulda or could. I remember back when I was low as a rug. Now I'm standing up, look at what my father does, turning all things new, gray skies blue. Hear the church saying, won't he do it? I know he's got my back. That's why I'm thinking that I'm about to have a good day, no matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me, birds are singing praise. I'm about to have a good day, in every single way. God who made the universe knows me by my name.
think about now? Can we survive it out there? Can we make it somehow? I guess I thought that this would never end, and suddenly it's like we're women and men. Will the past be a shadow that will follow us round? Will these memories fade when I leave this town? I keep thinking that it's not goodbye. I keep on thinking it's our time to fly.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to now introduce to some and present to others the Henry E.S. Reeves K-8 Center Principal, Ms. Shekinah McIntosh. Let's give her a hand.
At this time, we would like to recognize students who exemplify the spirit of excellence through character. These students were selected by the leadership team as role models who consistently demonstrate strong character, service, and commitment to our school community. Traditionally, only one student is selected as the principal's choice. I'm going to be the decision to honor all three students as each has demonstrated outstanding academic excellence. It is my great honor and privilege to introduce a student whose dedication, perseverance, leadership, and outstanding achievement had distinguished them among their peers. Through their academic journey, this student has consistently demonstrated excellence, not only in the classroom, but also through their integrity, responsibility, and positive influence on others. This morning, we recognize a student who exemplified the highest standard of scholarship and the spirit of excellence. It is with my immense pride that I present our highest honor, the Principal Choice Spirit of Excellence Awards to Isaiah Byron.